Now we start based on with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, when the price was within this move, we mentioned we can put these two in relative to each other for one more drop. Exactly, this is what we get because we explained if you want to look for buy, the only times if the sharp move with the breakout of the stop. Okay, this is what we are expected. Even we mentioned that we can expect the price to drop to 27. As we can see, the price drop tagged 27 2 times, but it couldn't break. No start to correct here. Whether this is a correction, similar to what we have here, that's when the price cannot break this line and can reverse. That's why if we get any reversal, we are more interested in the buy. Or if the price drop this, break this one, then we want to see how deep it can go because still we have this too. Okay, by the way, we want to see how we can trade it, and mostly we are more interested if we get a reversal. That means we should look for buy. Okay, if we move to daily chart, the only thing is we have this correction and relative to this, we want to see how deep this one can go. Okay, the best thing is if we move to forward chart. All right, again, based on forward chart, as we mentioned, based on 1 hour chart, this is what we have been looking for, and we were expected the price drop we get. Okay, but we should know the prices start to correct here. If this one turned to a correction similar to what we have here, that means the price cannot break 27, then we can look for reversal. But if the price, as we can see based on 1 hour chart correcting here, if the price break, the next level, we need to see if there is a breakout of this. This is what we're looking for. That means if there is a breakout of 25.9, the next things is we're looking at 25.2. Okay, but we are not looking for sell. We're looking for buy if we get a reversal. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart. And if we put this one relative to this, what we have based on indicators, if we refer to MACD, we don't have anything. But the another one, we have a divergence, okay? But we cannot rely on the divergence because we have two different information. And as we can see here, usually when we have this kind of the correction, we can put in relative to each other for one more drop. But I mentioned we are not looking for the down move. We're looking for the reversal. Either we get one more drop, we get the reversal, or the price reverse from here. But if we get any reversal, we take the buy and we start to manage it. What we're looking for, we want to look for the sharp move. Can we consider this one as a move with a correction? May, for those people, they can take the risk, they can trade here. Because if we put this one in relative to this, we have a divergence. Okay, but it's really risky, but it's move in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us good trade setup. By the way, this is the only things based on 15 minutes. We don't add in this analysis. If we move to 1 hour chart, we want to see whether there is a continuation, because right now we want to see whether this one is a correction for continuation or not. Even if we get a trade from here, when the price come to this top, we start to manage it, and we will need to get the sharp move. All right, but the best thing is if we get a sharp move with a flag, we can look for trade. Anyway, we're looking for reversal. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.